Hey guys, this is Hero Skating. I want to talk about a skateboard truck in this video. Trucks are the main key of a skateboard because this is what you turn with, this is what you grind with, this is what holds your deck on, and this is your freedom. A skateboard truck has a hanger. This is called the hanger, and the base plate. The base plate has a washer, a bushing, and a washer and a nut. On a skateboard truck, how many bushings do you guys think there is on one single truck? There's three bushings on a skateboard truck. The two main ones right here that you can see, okay? But some people don't know about this bushing right here. That's a bushing right there. There's all sorts of kinds of trucks. There's independent, Thunder, Venture, Thieves, Royals. There's a lot out there. There's the sizes, big trucks, small trucks. These are the main key you guys have to have for a skateboard. This is called a truck. Thank you guys for watching this video. Keep on watching new videos, and please subscribe, comment, and most of all, keep on skateboarding. I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.